We are in a country where people live on trees, ride elephants to work, and send pigeons instead of emails. This is one of Malaysia's largest pokkoks.
One of our American senators or something, Bill O'Reilly, said that Malaysians are poor.
Bro, can someone please tell me why this whole entire time I thought all of Malaysia looked like this?
I think people are really confused about countries like Thailand and now Malaysia, for example. They're confused about that. They think like they're third world countries. They have bad hospitals. It's like very poor and like dirty and stuff.
Kenapa masih ada pelancong asing yang datang ke Malaysia dengan anggapan bahawa negara ini miskin dan ketinggalan? Kenapa ada yang menyangka Malaysia hanyalah sebuah third world country yang serba kekurangan? Video ini bermula dengan satu anggapan yang biasa kita dengar, tetapi berakhir dengan satu kejutan besar yang langsung tidak mereka jangka. Kenapa anggapan ini wujud? Kerana Malaysia jarang ditonjolkan sebagai negara maju dalam media antarabangsa. Ramai hanya melihat Malaysia melalui peta, statistik lama, atau perbandingan yang tidak adil. Kemudian, segalanya berubah apabila pelancong asing ini menjejakkan kaki ke Malaysia buat kali pertama. Mereka melihat lebuh raya yang tersusun, pengangkutan awam yang moden, bangunan tinggi yang hidup dengan aktiviti, kemudahan awam yang bersih dan terurus. Wajah mereka berubah. Daripada yakin dengan anggapan lama, kepada mula mempertikaikan apa yang mereka percaya sebelum ini.
We are in a country where people live on trees, ride elephants to work, and send pigeons instead of emails. This is one of Malaysia's largest pokkoks. Like Bill O'Reilly once said, Malaysia has no money, and that's not a problem. Let me show you how we buy things here. By the way, all the expensive shops here, it is all Photoshop. Without editing and special effects, it looks like this. I'm looking for a shoe to climb pokok. Right, strong. One shoe, and I give one egg.
I wish you could, but you can't.
Final offer, one egg, one pisang. Yeah.
Sorry,
Okay, terima kasih. I hope you enjoyed the Malaysian jungle tour. Wartawan Anda, Alexi Brock.
One of our American senators or something, Bill O'Reilly, said that Malaysians are poor. You guys are literally eating better than us, have more luxury stores than us. I can't even pronounce the store name. You guys have that many here. Celine, Bulgari, Chamet, Dior over there. They got Chanel right over there. I'm on a whole nother level of poor walking in here. I'm literally just gonna window shop, like one woman dressed in a suit and like nobody's in there. The occasional like one or two people are in the store actually shopping, but I bet you they're window shopping too. Oh, they got bisons in here. Alexander McQueen kind of reminds me of Lightning McQueen. Not a single soul in that store except for two people in suits again. Like I've seen more like Paris and German and all these like European brands here, and I've never seen them once in my life in America. Roly, with a deodorant. Nah, chill. Okay, Christian Louboutin. I don't even know how to pronounce it again. I've been walking for like 5 minutes straight now. Like, it just keeps going. There's more and more. I don't know what that governor or representative was saying. You guys are literally doing way better than us. Plus 10 points for Malaysia.
Bro, can someone please tell me why this whole entire time I thought all of Malaysia looked like this? But bro, someone just sent me a video of the side of Malaysia that the media won't show you. Bro, we are literally a third world country. Let me show you. Bro, since when does Malaysia look like that? That is actually crazy, bro. There is no freaking way.
I think people are really confused about countries like Thailand and now Malaysia, for example. They're confused about that. They think like they're third world countries. They have bad hospitals. It's like very poor and like dirty and stuff. But look at this place, man. Like the whole city center looks like this. And that's what people got confused with countries like Malaysia and Thailand and so on and so on, is that Southeast Asia is so much more developed than people think. Like, look at this place, man. I'll show you guys around a little bit. I walk around here, the rooftop of this mall, and show you guys the skyline. And it's just stunning, you know. It's more modern and beautiful than any place I've seen in Western Europe. Thai tea girl. Look at this place, man. Stunning Malaysia.
Jadi kenapa satu lawatan saja? Cukup untuk membuktikan anggapan Malaysia negara miskin itu salah? Kerana realiti tidak boleh disangkal apabila dilihat dengan mata sendiri. Tetapi, bagi kita rakyat Malaysia, semua ini mungkin kelihatan biasa. Sesuatu yang kita nikmati setiap hari tanpa sedar. Namun bagi pelancong asing, inilah pengalaman yang mengubah cara mereka melihat Malaysia dan cara mereka menceritakan negara kita kepada dunia. Dan itulah sebabnya, satu anggapan lama akhirnya terbukti salah.